Welcome to Education Commons. We're here to make your tech experience smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're on campus or remote, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and learn how to access our top-notch services. If you find yourself on campus, visiting us in person is a breeze. Head to the third floor of the OISE building and look for the Onsite Service Hub. Once there, simply press the call button on the touchscreen and you'll instantly be connected with one of our friendly experts. They'll be ready to assist you with any tech-related questions you might have. No matter where you are, our services are just a click away. If you're remote, accessing support is as easy as visiting our online service hub. To submit a ticket, just click the Tech Problems button and choose the correct category option and provide a few details about your issue in a ticket. And the best part, you can track the progress of your ticket, keeping you in the loop every step of the way. You can also use the online service hub to make requests such as a new equipment request in our computer renewal program. We also have a live chat where you can connect with our experts throughout the workday. This can be found on the Education Commons website. If you need immediate help without an appointment, our drop-in service is here for you. Stop in during our convenient hours, which run Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Zoom. We also offer specialized drop-in sessions for specific technology topics throughout the week. If you're looking to boost your tech skills, Education Commons workshops have you covered. We offer a variety of engaging workshops tailored to support students, staff, researchers, and faculty. Education Commons also provides one-to-one consultations that can be booked using Microsoft Bookings. Please choose a time that suits you and our experts will give you their undivided attention to solve your tech challenges. When it comes to classroom support at OISE, Learning Space Management, or LSM, can support your technology needs. Head over to lsm.utoronto.ca to learn more. So whether you're on campus or remote, we're here to support you every step of the way. Education Commons has a passion and dedication to the OISE community that's fused with a shared and genuine commitment to excellence and creating lasting value and making a difference.